So far, we've displayed our Excel data in a table. But dashboards become much more useful when we visualize data. In this video, we'll add a chart to our Dash application and transform raw numbers into meaningful insights. Before we add charts, we need one additional library. Open a terminal and run py-m pip install plotly. Plotly is the visualization library used by Dash to create interactive charts. Next, let's import Plotly Express. Plotly Express makes it easy to create charts directly from a Pandas data frame. Next, let's create our first chart. Inside the update_table function, right after we load the Excel file into a data frame, add the following code. The px.bar function creates a bar chart. We pass the data frame as the data source. The student column will be used for the horizontal axis, and the math column will be used for the vertical axis. Finally, we provide a title for the chart. Now that the chart has been created, we need to display it in our application. At the moment, our function returns only a data table. Since we want to display both a chart and a table, we'll place them inside an html.div container. The html.div acts as a container for multiple components. Inside the container, you'll notice the children parameter. The children list defines everything that will be displayed inside the container. In our case, it contains two elements, the chart and the data table. The dcc.graph component displays the chart stored in the fig variable. And below it, we keep our existing data table. Notice that we're not rebuilding the table from scratch. Simply cut the existing data table code and paste it inside the html.div, right below dcc.graph. This allows us to keep all the features we've already added in previous videos, including CSV export, filtering, and sorting. Press Ctrl S to save the file. Then return to the browser. Click Choose Excel File and select Student Performance Tracker.xlsx. The table still appears as before. But now, a chart is displayed above it. Let's test the chart. Each bar represents a student. The height of the bar represents the student's math score. This makes it much easier to compare results than looking at raw numbers in a table. With just a few additional lines of code, we've transformed our application from a simple data viewer into a true dashboard.